Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday. We have seen now gold moving towards 27.67. Yesterday I mentioned one very peculiar thing, that once it stays above 27.46 50 levels, we can see the next targets towards 64.65, and then it has precisely achieved it, while silver has also found its support at 30 and now moved towards 30.50. What to expect today? Big day today. The FOMC rate cut decision and Chairman Powell's press conference. Definitely it is going to bring a lot much of volatility into the metals prices as well. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, what is going to be our strategy, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the see. Gold on the hourly charts has posted almost a V-shaped recovery after this sharp decline. It has now covered most of the path here and now itching hard to break beyond the highs here, that is 27.72 and 27.76 zone. Yes, if it stays above this, definitely we can say now the bulls are back and we can look forward to another round of rise here. Look at the hourly charts. The moving averages have crossed over here, and after consolidating we have seen one round of rise. See, it started from here, consolidation, then another round of rise, now it is consolidating. So now let it break beyond 27.66-68 zone, and once it stays beyond this, I will look forward to 72.74, which is going to be the next milestone beyond this 78.80. These are the three levels which are going to play a major role in deciding the further course of action from gold. Right now I can see it is finding support here on the downside from 27.60 as well. This is also one of the levels which you should watch out for. See, multiple candles is struggling to break on the downside, thus a drop to below 27.60 and specifically below 27.54-55 should be a sign that more bearishness should prevail. Let's see further. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has retraced here, now trying to converge, trying to cross over. This crossover can lead to reversal. RSI is staying at the top. Coming to the 2-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Notice that it is still on this path here, it is still delivering lower highs. Thus it is very important for gold to trade above 27.72 and then 27.78-80 zone. These two levels, if it takes, certainly you can say higher highs can be expected here. Notice that what is happening, just if you look at the charts for the recent time frame, you will find rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and this time it has breached this channel, it has come out of this channel, and it is trying to get back into the zone here. Thus definitely it will be watched out for, else it will be like this, that it is delivering a nice bearish flag where it can still reverse and drop towards the bottom, towards 2720 or 2700 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD, after the crossover at the bottom, it is rising and it has lot much of room on the upside available. RSI flat. On the 3-hour charts, and the observation is same. Look at the rise here after this consolidation going on. Wait for a breakout either which ways. Right now it is just struggling to break either on the upside or on the downside, specifically beyond 27.72-74 and then towards 27.78-80 is where you can say that the bulls are back. Moving average is now looking upwards. It's a good sign for the bulls, and the support zone till 27.54, 27.50 is going to play a major role again. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence. It's again a very good sign for the bulls here, and the RSI is flat. On the 4-hour, similar is the observation. See, this time here is it has taken 50 period as the moving average support, and then retracement, then support, retracement, support, rise, support. Now see, it has taken the support at this point. I have mentioned it has taken a very good support, and see with the support what we had seen, a stronger rise. Now it is time for it to decide further direction here. Right now I can see it delivering lower highs, and thus very important for gold to trade beyond 27.72 plus levels. Beyond this, certainly you can say that the bulls are back, and specifically beyond 27.80. Stochastic here is staying overbought, while the MACD is trying to cross over. This crossover can lead to further rise. This is something you should watch out for. The next forthcoming few candles are definitely going to be of interest, because a rise here or crossover here can lead to further greener candles here, which means more bullishness. RSI flat. Coming to daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened yesterday after this bigger decline? It is delivering lower highs, higher lows. Today it is trying to break out here, and it has already seen slightly high. So now wait for it to break on the upside or on the downside. Right now I can say it is very early to conclude, because see, after the reversal sign, this is the first red candle, then a bounce back. So current candle can be further bearish here. As long as it stays below 2780, you can say that the reversal can be sharp enough to erase all the gains from yesterday and drop towards 2720. Yes, Fed can do, or the Chairman Powell's press conference can do wonders here. It can bring definitely not much of things. So now, before we proceed further, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the daily charts also, see, higher lows are consistently seen and higher highs are seen. This time again, it is respecting this channel. See, the lows are beautifully connected, and thus it is very important for gold to now trade below 2740 in order to confirm for the bearishness, because once it trades below 2740, that is the point of time you can say 2720 will be seen, and then in fact we can see a move towards 27. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to converge, not yet crossed over, it's still looking upwards, still trading bullish, and the RSI is also near to overbought. And thus, looking at the charts, I'll recommend you to buy today only if you see it is staying above 2768. Expect 2770 to 74 as the first resistance zone, a good resistance zone here on the upside, and if it is taken, then expect it to move towards 2778.80. If these two levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to the record levels again towards 27 85 86 first, and then 2790. If these two also are taken, 2802 is the next target. Yes, it is going to breach beyond 2800. As and how it breaks past the resistances on the upside, specifically the double top levels towards 2790, you can say a stronger rally can be expected here. While swings cannot be denied, and that is why I am saying till 2780 levels at least you should be careful with the buys. Till 2780, chances of reversal will be very high. Now, where you should take a selling entry, I will only recommend you to sell now if you see gold is staying below 2758. Expect 2754, 2748, and then 2740 levels. If 2740 is taken, stay short this time for 2730, 2720, and in fact 270405 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Just stick to the levels. Do not think beyond, do not think after. Just stick to the levels. And now let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. After trading bearish, hitting lower lows towards 2960 levels, 2970 levels, it is trying to bounce back, but it needs to trade beyond this first 3060. The lower price has to be above 3060, and then above 31. These are the two levels above which only you can confirm that silver is turning bullish. What is happening right now after this greater dip? Rise retracement, and it is trying to trade in this retracement channel. Now, very important for silver to trade above 3060 levels. Also, look, the moving averages are now crossing over here. It has become a good support, and see multiple candles struggling to break on either on the upside or on the downside. So let it take a direction. Once it stays beyond 3060, I think more bullishness should prevail here. While on the downside now 30-20, 30-30 should be a very good support. Stock IST comfortable. The MACD is rising, retracing. It is still looking upwards. The RSI is looking upwards as well. On the 2-hour charts, and similar observation. After this good rise, it is consolidated. It is taking the support here, trying to bounce back. Let it stay beyond 30-50, 30-60 zone, and you can expect more bullishness from there, where the prices can in fact peak towards 31 level. So this is 31 is the greatest milestone which it needs to break in order to confirm the reversal here. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD, after crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI rising, coming to 3 hour. Similar observation here. Higher lows are seen, taking the support from the 20-50 average, trying to bounce back. Let it break on the upside. That will confirm the reversal. I can see 30-50, 30-60 zone. Very good resistance is observed here at these levels. Also notice what it has done this time. It has delivered lower lows here, and right now I can see lower highs as well. So I will say till 31 you have to be cautious with the buys. Only and only if silver trades above 31, you can say that the bulls are taking over, and then in fact we can expect it to move towards 3150. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards. Then this can lead to further rise in prices. RSI rising, signs are supportive of further bullishness. Coming to 4-hour. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. The support from the 20-50 period moving average very strong, and now see the crossover here is another sign which indicates that see, this crossover has appeared first after a very long time, and thus it may sustain, and thus today's candle is definitely something which is going to decide whether it is going to stay bearish or crossover on the upside. So let's watch out if it delivers a breakout. Right now I can see lower highs and lower lows here, very important for it to break beyond 3660 in order to confirm reversal. The stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here at the bottom. This is again a very good sign. It's support of the bulls. RSI rising. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, similar observation. See what has happened so far since last couple of days. Lower highs, higher lows, consolidation going on. Today it has formed a double top, and now it is very important. If it breaks beyond 30, 50, 30, 60, that is the zone beyond which more bullishness should prevail. And if you notice what has happened here in the last few trading sessions, see, first of all, this consolidation, then we have seen couple of bearish candles and now waiting for a breakout. So only a breakout above 3060 should confirm further rise, and only bullishness is if it trades above 31. Till that time, it stays below 31. Do not treat this as bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to cross over for sell again. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple. Buy at 30, 50, 30, 60 levels. Expect it to move towards 30, 75, 80 as the first resistance zone, and then 31 as the next. Only and only if it stays above 31, you can say that the bulls are taking over, and then the targets are going to be towards 31, 20, 25 and 31.50. Ideally, I will be looking forward to 31.50 levels here. Beyond anything beyond that, sky is the limit. While now, do not ignore the downside levels here, which is very important. If you see it staying below 30.30, you can take a selling entry. Be careful of 30.10, $30 levels, which is the first support zone, prime support zone here. And 30.10, 30 is something you should watch out for. And then 29, 75, 80. If these two levels are taken, this is going to land at 29.50, and below 29.50, there is no looking back on the upside. It is going to deliver a massive blow towards 29 or 28.80 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss.